Hey everyone out there, my name is Ian. I want to tell you today about UFX. Now, UFX is a really awesome Forex trading firm. They have what's called the Paragon X trading platform, which is revolutionary. It's web-based, no downloads necessary, delivers excellent service via like all the STP, ECM protocols. Speed and order of execution, always a good thing with them. And again, what I like about there's no dealing desk. So a lot of really good things with it. The spreads are competitive, they are fixed, but they do vary a lot by account classification. So if you want to participate at higher deposit levels, you got to keep that in mind. But if you want to, of course, stick with the tried and true MT4 family products, that option is also available. So UFX is really versatile in that sense. They have like I think over 250 items you can trade, 51 currency pairs, or I think it might be around that number, around 8 commodities or so, 7 indices, 171 stocks, 12 ETFs. Very cool. And their managing director, tries to stay in communication with all the users, really stays in touch. It's just an overall really great experience of trading. So, just to give you a little bit of background, UFX was founded in 2007. It was founded by a team of really good professionals, headquartered in like the British Virgin Islands, with offices in like London, Limassol, Cyprus, I believe. You can deposit your stuff, in top-tier European banks, so it's all regulated. Because of the proprietary trading platform, Paragon X, you can trade anywhere, anytime. MT4, of course, is available for download. MT4 is really tried and true, but the Paragon X is really incredible. It kind of sets them apart from a lot of others. Leverage varies by asset types. I think it's like high as 400 to 1 in some cases. It can be, but again, it depends what you're trading. They do have demo accounts, the Islamic accounts too. Very much different account balances. So whether you're depositing 500,000, 10,000, whatever, all their different accounts, you're going to get started, but it's a real deal. But once you get started and you're on there, you're going to be rocking and rolling with it. It is kind of designed for somebody who knows what they're doing. You do have a lot of quick trade executions, for example, that does prevent things like slippage and requotes, but you still got to know what you're doing. There is a personal trading consultant that you can get with them. Gives you free Forex coaching. There's a lot more support depending on the level that you're, submitting your deposits. What I like about it, it's 24/7 customer service, live chatting, all that stuff. A lot of the usual things we see on these brokerage firms sites, such as like daily video reviews, educational tutorials, financial calendars, trading ideas. I think there's like a news commentary also. I don't never check it for some reason, but I've been on UFX a while. I like it. It's solid. It's definitely something I go to if I don't want to necessarily be on MT4, which usually I am on MT4, but because the Paragon X is just really cool. It's web-based. It's just awesome. They have a lot of different things. For example, they have something called Mass Insights technology that keeps you really right where the action's at. So again, if you are somebody that wants to check out like market trends, things like that, that's it right there. They have SL encryption. It's really awesome. But what I really like about it too, it's very fast. You don't have to worry about it because it's web-based or anything. You don't have to worry. It's going to do exactly what you need it to do, and then some. Withdrawals is pretty much standard. I believe it's like, no third-party transfers are permitted. Again, typical stuff. They do help beginners. Like I said, they have a nice educational tutorial package. They used to be called UFX Markets, and I think back then they weren't as heavily focused on helping beginners, but now they are. They kind of have a whole motto now to basically break down all the important financial data, explain it in terms that even like the most basic beginners can understand, and they do a fairly good job of that. It's very comprehensive, their educational firm. So I think if you are starting out, again, UFX is definitely a good place to start. It's so solid, been around a while, since 2007, so you can't really beat them in terms of like the integrity of their site. And again, I like using them. They're definitely one of my go-tos. Definitely one I think would be your go-to also. Trading just makes sense there again because all the bases are covered. Basically what you're have to risk is usually just the usual risks that you take when you're doing trades. So Again, check it out for yourself. UFX is something you got to check out for yourself. It's not something I want to necessarily go on and on about because I think it's just best to be experienced. Give it a look, see if it's something you're interested in. You can do that right now just by clicking the link right below this video. It'll take you right through to UFX. And again, might be for you, might not. I love it. I think it's great. I'm sure you will too. So again, check it out. It's UFX. Just click the link below this video and take you right there. And good luck. Have fun trading, guys. Take care.